build the trust. SOOSAN. Since our founding over 30 years ago, SOOSAN's single mission has been the design and manufacturing of innovative, technologically and cost-effective products. This guiding principle is rooted in our history and continues today as a world-class company. SOOSAN breakers are designed to provide optimal reliability and performance durability. SOOSAN engineers use exclusive stress analysis simulation software to test and ensure all critical components. The superb design of SOOSAN's breaker reduces the quantity of working parts and increases its efficiency while lowering operating and maintenance cost. SOOSAN adheres to best practices in its manufacturing, material certifications, and rigorous quality control, ensuring our worldwide customers' quality, reliability, and trust of all products SOOSAN delivers. SOOSAN drill rigs are designed with exceptional technology and quality, such as ergonomic styling and eco-friendly certified engines, optimizing worksite production in a variety of materials and markets around the world. SOOSAN's products have greater working efficiency through expanded working ranges and higher drifter drilling speeds in comparison with competitive products. Additionally, their clean structural design, accessibility, and user-friendliness improves operator comfort. The distinctive lightweight cranes of SOOSAN are designed with specialty 3mm alloy plates to reduce their weight by 10% while permitting the cranes to exert a stronger force with the same amount of hydraulic power. In addition, as a load sensing system is applied, lowers fuel consumption, which extends the lifespan of the equipment. With lifting capacity from 2 to 20 tons, SOOSAN cranes are used for unique tasks around construction sites and are highly regarded in their markets. Equipped with the largest production facilities in Korea, SOOSAN has secured its foothold for entering the global market by running SOOSAN Machinery, Tsingtao, China, SOOSAN Machinery and Equipment, Xiamen, overseas corporations, Illinois and Chicago, USA, and overseas branches, Netherlands and Dubai. In addition to the 5 overseas corporations and the overseas branches, SOOSAN has established a global sales network involving more than 100 dealers, which helped in entering overseas markets actively and aggressively. In particular, taking the Netherlands branch as its foothold for European and African markets, SOOSAN has been actively expanding its markets and has also spurred efforts to expand its market in the Middle East and Latin America. The products of SOOSAN have been recognized and trusted by customers around the world, and it begins by using only the premium alloys and materials that undergo strict quality testing. Heat treatment, a critical process to ensure breaker component durability, is controlled in-house and under strict procedures refined over 30 years of heat treating expertise. All component machining and final grinding are conducted on the latest precision SPC equipment and carefully monitored for precise tolerances. In the assembly process, only the latest generation robot welding machines are used. As a final step in the quality process, all breakers are hydraulically tested to ensure finished products are ready for sale. SOOSAN recognizes its responsibility doesn't end with building the finest products, but to deliver excellent after-sales support. This includes accurate parts stocking and order fulfillment. We adhere to strict ISO quality standards that include serializing parts and tracking through bar coding. Product, service, and parts training programs are ongoing and available either in our Korean headquarters or one of our overseas branches. At the center of SOOSAN's global competitiveness lies in the development and innovation of its own technologies. For example, SOOSAN established a research center in 1991 and employs over 30% of its workforce for research and development. This investment in its future clearly illustrates SOOSAN's long-term commitment as a world-class supplier. SOOSAN has never settled for the status quo. It continues its vision of innovation, customer-focused, and investing in their future. The ultimate value of earning their customers' trust is the reason that SOOSAN exists. SOOSAN continues to look toward the future with unwavering commitment to continuous innovation. SOOSAN moves toward an even brighter future to supplying our customers with superior solutions. SOOSAN.